So here we look at question number 21 from 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam. This question came from the topic of investments, but pretty much this is straightforward question of inflation. So we've categorized it over here, but really it's a very easy question that you shouldn't be missing out. And these are the kind of questions that actually make you get easy marks. So the question is that you're given an inflation rate from January 29 to January 2020, which is 2%. You're told that in January 2020, there is a jumper that's costing $122. What is the price of that jumper in 2019? And you assume that only changes because of inflation. So what you know is that inflation increases the price, right? Let's take this out here first. Inflation increases the price. So if the price in January 2020 is $122, so the price at January 2019 has to be lower. So usually the price that would work would be, the inflation formula would be the price at January 2019 multiplied by 1 plus inflation and to the power of number of years. In this case, it's only 1 year. And that would give you the price for January 2020. So let's plug in the values, and that is inflation rate is 2%, 0.02, time is 1 year from January 19 to January 20, and the value at January 2020 is 122, right? So the price at January 2019 would be equal to 122 divided by 1.02, which would be equal to 119.61.